Welcome to Crystal Plus. We are a company that specializes in personalized awards and gifts for all your events, special occasions, and celebrations. In this video, we will walk you through how to personalize your order in 4 easy steps. Once you have browsed our website and added your desired SKUs and quantities to your shopping cart, the shopping cart summary will pop up on the top right-hand corner of the screen. Click View Cart and Personalize to navigate to the shopping cart and personalization page to begin the personalization process. Once you are on the shopping cart and personalization page, you may begin the personalization process by clicking Personalize on each SKU. Step 1. First, you will need to select or upload your free logo artwork. Here you will see multiple options. You may browse our pre-designed clip art library, which features a variety of designs and categories, such as birthday, monogram, anniversary, and more. Choose to use the same logo clip art that was featured in the product image, which will appear on the left-hand side of your screen. Upload your own logo artwork from your computer. Email your logo after checkout, or opt to have no logo at all, with only text. Once you have selected your logo artwork option, you will need to select your preferred logo positioning. Step 2. Step 2 is an optional step if you wish to have additional logos, artworks, or clip arts on the same piece. If this is not applicable to you, you may skip this step by clicking Next Step. Step 3. On Step 3, you will enter the text for your personalization. You will have 2 options: to select a quote from our sample quote library or to enter your own text. To select a quote from our sample library, you can browse our quotes by category. Once you've selected your desired quote, it will automatically fill the text boxes below for you to edit further if you wish to make any changes. If you have your own text in mind, then you can select the Enter My Own Text option. Here you can enter your own verbiage in the text boxes for a truly personalized feel. When you are entering your text, you will see Text 1 and Text 2 boxes. These 2 boxes are in place to help you organize between different lines or sections of text if needed. You will be able to specify your font style and size for each section. If you have more than 2 sections of text, you will simply need to note the desired font style and size for each section. Our design team will manually size your logo artwork in all text according to your instructions. If you have more than one quantity of the same SKU in your shopping cart, you will find a section at the bottom of the text boxes that reads Multiple Recipient Names Phrases. If you wish to use the same verbiage or text layout for all your pieces, but change the name, award title, or phrase for each piece, simply enter all text for your first piece in the Text 1, Text 2 boxes above. Then click plus Add Another Name to open the additional text boxes below. Then you will be able to enter any text changes for each piece. Finally, Step 4 is optional and lists all other additional custom options that we offer, such as a color fill, additional engraving location, or gift message card. Once you have included all your relevant add-ons, you will have a summary of any additional fees on the bottom for your reference. If this step is not applicable to your order, you may skip this step by clicking Complete to complete your personalization. If you have more than one piece for the same SKU, you will be able to enter separate personalization for each piece, or apply the same personalization to all pieces by clicking Apply the Same Personalization to All. Once you have completed your personalization for one SKU, you will be taken back to the shopping cart page to enter personalization for the next SKU. You may also edit any previous personalization entries, or clear all if you need to start over. For returning customers in any future orders that will use the same artwork or layout as a previous order, we have a repeat order option to make reordering with us easier. This option is located at the top of the shopping cart and personalization page. If you check this option, a box will pop up for you to enter a previous order number for our reference. A text box will then appear next to each SKU, where you may enter any changes to the text, such as new recipient names and year, etc. That's it! We hope this video helped guide you through how to personalize with us. For more assistance and details, please feel free to call our customer service team at 888-779-8803 or email us at service@crystalplus.com, and we'll be happy to help you out. Thank you for shopping with Crystal Plus.